Get to know the undercarriage system and the chassis of the car. In terms of cars, it is divided into many parts such as engine and gearbox, cabin, air conditioning, and undercarriage. In this article, we will present some knowledge about undercarriage and pump system. 1. Undercarriage system, used to help the car to improve ride and steering stability. The main functions and parts of the underside of the car, including the wheels and tires, are responsible for rotating the car forward. The pump and the springs help to keep the car from spinning. Wheels with wheel arches, and the end of the wheel is also connected to the wheel arches via a paddle, and it is available in a number of components, such as rubber, chucks, rotates, and paddles, to attach the arm. Flexible, and lastly, the steering system, which is integrated with the undercarriage to operate flexibly under the control of the driver. 2. Scales, ensures robustness of cargo. The bow is curved like a bow, made of steel, with many flat leaves stacked on top of each other. The handle has a hole punched in the center of every sheet and a set of fastening bolts attached to the trunk. Along the handlebars are clamped at intervals to keep the handlebars overlapping evenly, and at both ends of the handlebars are attached to the chassis. Although it guarantees the robustness of heavy loads that are suitable for trucks and pickups, it has the disadvantage of being a bit bumpy. Pump plays an important role when driving to prevent the car from bumping and helps maintain stability, especially on curves. The pump is attached to the tow bar or the end of the car. The pump has more movement than the lever and has been modified or added more components. Pumps are also used on high-speed vehicles to keep the car balanced, as the pump is modified to make the car body lower in height and save more space. More than a ladder. The springs are highly flexible, so a pump must be used to prevent the bore from growing too fast. It is used for holding and chess only. It cannot withstand the force from the side or bending force, so the spring must be used in conjunction with the force bar. The springs and the power of the bumps from the road do not have the same friction as the scales, because they are twisted springs and a single piece. It moves well on rough roads, stabilizes the car well and suitable for speeding cars. But the downside is not being able to support too much weight. Currently, the pump is being developed by car companies to improve driving performance. Ford, for example, has fitted a new generation Fox 2.5-inch live valve internal bypass shock pump on the 2023 Ranger Raptor, which is more capable of both normal road driving, which makes it more comfortable to drive. On the road, there are obstacles that can drive either fast or slow without any problems.